A perfect mix of visiting the market and learning more of the lovely fruits, tasting cheese and then preparing a 4-course meal in Dale's spacious and beautiful studio. We were 4 persons and that was very nice. We got to do all the fun parts in cooking and we also got all the recipes on email. Highly recommended. Chef Dale exceeded all our expectations for this class. We did the lunch cooking class, which included a trip to the market to pick up ingredients and a 4-course meal. We spent about an hour at the market. Dale was so knowledgeable and enthusiastic about Peruvian food history and let us try a number of ingredients at some of the food stalls. It was evident that he has great rapport with the vendors we visited as the interactions were friendly and familiar. The cooking studio was tucked a few blocks away from the market and was a beautiful space. Some items for the class had been prepared ahead of time, some cheese shredded, a hibiscus syrup made, ingredients boiled ahead of us needing to use them, but there was still a ton of hands-on food prep with tips about technique and flavor pairings along the way. The amount of food we made was quite generous and everything was delicious. Dale was so fun to cook with and had great recommendations about other food to try in Cusco for the duration of our trip. Would highly recommend this class to anyone visiting Cusco. Chef Mauricio was very friendly and knowledgeable about the fruits, vegetables and cuisine of Peru. We made quite a few delicious dishes, 3 types of ceviche, stuffed rocoto, pastel de papas and soup. I highly recommend this tour for any foodies. Great experience and made so much food. Highly recommend. Market tour and then made pisco sour, 3 kinds of ceviche, soup, stuffed peppers, salad and dessert. It was a spectacular experience. We went as a family, had a great time, and ate the dish we prepared ourselves, which, by the way, was delicious. I highly recommend it. Peru has a fantastic food and cooking culture rooted in the Quechua people's mastery of agriculture and the vast array of ingredients they have to choose from. This class is fantastic. Come hungry and make 3 flavorful and beautiful dishes with a cocktail. Excellent instruction in a beautiful and clean environment. Also see the well-organized central market of Cusco. 10/10. Absolutely amazing. Mao was incredible. The experience was so worth it, cooking, learning Peruvian cuisine and also visiting the market. Recommend to absolutely everyone. Awesome class. Dale was great and the food was amazing. Would highly recommend. 100 character minimum on TripAdvisor is silly. Such an amazing experience. Our chef was amazing and I learned so much about Peru and Peruvian cuisine. 11/10. Wow. This class exceeded my expectations. Dale was amazing. Such a fun, educating, delish time. I can't recommend enough. A must-do.